Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website for your dog training business. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, so it's really affordable. And there is a free trial available for 7 days, so click on the link below this video. Sign up for the free trial and give it a go and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our dog training business. Once you've signed up on the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. If you can't quite find your template listed over here, do comment below and let us know, and we will make sure we add it. I'm going to head over to the top and I'm going to search for our market, a dog trainer, and there it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that. Great. Now Mighty Sites needs a little bit of more information about our company just so it can work its magic and generate a one-page website for me. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, Rochelle's Canine Training. I'm now going to put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have users from all around the globe. I'm now going to change the type of business from a restaurant to a service. There is an option for retail or other, but this is a service. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and click on continue. Great. Look at that. Mighty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. It's done all the hard work. I didn't need to know any web development skills. I didn't need to have a huge budget for a web developer. No coding at all. The beauty of multi-site is we've pre-selected all the images for you. They are royalty-free, free to use, so you don't need to worry about any licensing. And we've pre-written all the content for you to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your dog training business. However, perhaps these images don't quite work for your business. Content needs to be amended slightly. That's completely okay. I'm going to walk you through each step, each section to show you how easy it is to use this platform. I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. You don't need to be super tech savvy at all. It's that simple. So I'm going to work my way from the top. I'm going to click on update section over here. I'm going to go ahead and put in my organization email. I'm now going to click on show email and site. So my email is displayed on the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites page. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number so our customers can get in touch with us. That is click to call and displayed here next to your email address. Let's move along to our physical location if we do have one. Let's put in our postal code, and that will now be displayed in the top left-hand corner. Customers can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location. Let's make sure we save that and move on to update social links. Over here, we can put in our Instagram page, our Twitter page. So feel free to give Mighty Sites a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. And they are displayed over here on the top right next to our email address so customers can easily give us a follow, see what we're up to, and get some engagement going. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save that and click on close. Now, perhaps this royal blue color, the color palette that was pre-selected for you, just doesn't work for your branding. Your branding's completely different. That's okay. You don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner and go through the various options that are available. We are adding more color palettes every single week, but scroll through and see which one's suitable for you and your business. So I'm going to go ahead. I think this one is really great for my dog training business. But then again, my dog training business does train police canine dogs. So I might want something actually blue. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm happy with that. I'm associating my dog training with police, security dogs, stuff like that. So I'm going to leave it at that one. And it goes with all my branding that I've already selected for my business cards and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave it as that one. I'm now going to move on to the next section and click on update section over here. Let's head to update logo. If you've recently launched your dog training business and you don't quite have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will just display your name over here. Still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome, my logo is now uploaded. Let's click on save. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. So I'm going to actually make it slightly bigger. I'm happy with that sizing. Let's go ahead and click on save and close that up. Now, again, pre-written content for you to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your dog training business. We wanted to make the service as easy as possible. We understand you are busy with trainings, you're busy with everything else. So that's where we come in to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching that website. Only $9 a month, and there is that free trial available. So give it a go. You have nothing to lose. So perhaps the images that are pre-selected and the content that's pre-written doesn't work for your business. Let's go ahead and click on update section and head to update image. So if you have any really awesome pictures of your dog training business and action training all of your furry friends, go ahead and upload it here by clicking on browse. However, you can search through the photo library, hundreds of free images to choose from, very high quality, all look really great. That's super cute, but it doesn't quite work for my business. So feel free to change the terms a little bit and just see what comes up. Let's have a look. So I'm pretty happy with this image over here. I'm going to go ahead and select it. I think that works well for my dog training. I'm going to select the photo, make sure the image is saved, and there you have it. It's displayed over there, looks really great. If you need to update the content, head over here, change it to suit your needs. Button, we can link to various places, so perhaps you don't want to get in touch, you want to say give or phone us today. I prefer the term actually call us today. I'm going to head over to choose a link. We can link to another website, another part of our Mighty Sites page. Perhaps you want to link to the form at the bottom, which I'll get to in just a second. However, I'm going to link this one to an action click to call as well. There is another great option for a PDF file, which is actually my favorite on the Mighty Sites platform. Upload a PDF file with all your information for your dog training business. Perhaps you want to put a PDF with all your different rates and the sessions you offer, times you're available. Go ahead and pop that in a PDF file. But for this one, I'm going to leave it as click to call and confirm. Save content. And as you can see, my button has been updated. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here, again, another section. Go ahead and amend it to suit your needs. Perhaps you don't offer canine police training, force training, but my dog's training school does. So I'm going to leave that as is. If you need to update it, head to update section. Now we've made our way onto the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your dog training experience, how many years experience you have, how you got into this industry, your love for dogs. Put it all over here. Your customers would love to know. Another great option for an image, upload your own or search the photo library. On to the next section, another great place for a high quality image. This is pretty suitable for my dog training school. However, search through the photo library again or upload your own. Really awesome. Over here, we made it onto the services section. Over here, put a little bit more details of what your dog training school offers. Perhaps you do board and train or you do private lessons in a customer's home with their fur babies, or you do puppy training. Put it all over here with your recommendations of how often a customer should have training for their dogs. Over here, another space for an image update section. Put the image over there. Looks really great. Awesome. Let's close it up. Make sure everything's saved and click close. We've now made our way onto the last section of our Mighty Sites page, the lead form. Customers can easily get in touch with you here by popping in their message, their name, their email address, and their phone number and clicking send. Once a lead has come in through this form, you will get notified via email. You'll also find all your leads in the client dashboard, which I'm going to take you over to in just a second. Let's just take one more second to have a look at this awesome website I've created in less than 10 minutes. I've amended it, gone through each section. It's been really quick and it looks super professional, very easy to use, no coding required. It's really great. I'm now going to head to the top and click on Stop Editing. I'm now going to head over to the site dashboard, and over here is where we can find the leads captured from that form at the bottom, which I've just shown you. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on Connect a Domain. If you're struggling, check out our YouTube channel, as we do have another video tutorial available on connecting your domain. There's also a blog post over at www.mindsites.com. You'll also find some really handy marketing tips for your small business on the blogs, so check it out. If you're struggling to connect your domain, do let us know and we will do the whole process for you to make your life as easy as possible. Add Mighty Sites as a user and we will connect your domain for you. Great. So I hope this tutorial was helpful on building a website for your dog training business. Really wishing you and your dog training business mighty success. If you have any tips or suggestions on what you'd like to see on the Mighty Sites platform, any features you'd like to see in future, any suggestions, comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. We appreciate your feedback. Give us a thumbs up for this video and have a great day.